Hi, so let's see how this code works to make a simple empty window. And this is the file, and it's just import Pygame and then import two other modules, and then it gets the screen size with this function, and then creates the main surface screen, and then launches the game loop. So let's see how it works. It just creates a window like this. It's great like the screen is, and will adapt to every monitor. And let's see how it works. It just gets two modules here, and in the start module we got just one function apart from Pygame in it. You get the get screen size that get the screen width and height through the info class here belonging to display that belongs to Pygame. And so it will return the width and height of the screen, so it will adapt to the different screen that the user may have. And then it imports also events, and in events there is this game loop function that will check if the user quits the window. If it does not quit the window, it will continue to stay up and until it quits it. And so in the main file, that is this text.py file, it will get the size of the screen, as I said, with this offset of 50. It's meant to let you see this part here so that you can grab the window, otherwise it will be all black. If you make it like 0, or you can even place 0 like here as default, so that if you don't put anything near, or you put it like 0, you will get a window, you see, like this, that you cannot close with this. You just can close with escape. And so if you want to see it, you see, if you want to see this X, you get to put the offset. If you don't want it, put it to 0. You can close it the same with the escape. Close with X or escape. Button X if you want to call it. And so that's all to create just an empty window, and to have everything so clear and easy to read in the main file, while the other stuff like the game loop and the initial starting thing here to get the size of the screen will be in this other file. And so you have everything quite understandable here without having to having all this code that is a bit distracting. So the next time we will see how to display text on the window, and we will probably put an update function inside of the main file, or another one that will make the get the user interaction with the window, to make interactions and things to happen, actions on the screen, interaction between the user and what you want the user to be able to do with your app. Thank you, and see you in the next video.